Morning, everybody. For today's video, we're going to go over to Jake's work and install some Brembos on my Genesis Coupe. I just drove to DC yesterday and picked them up and then made it back last night and just cleaned them up a bit. And yeah, I'll show you here in a second. This is my cat Suede, Sterling the German Shepherd, Root Beer the Grumpy Cat, and Jazz the Bengal. This is my little gang. Right, Mr. Slade? Alrighty. Yesterday we drove all the way out to DC. Pick these puppies up. They're in alright shape, a little spray paint and stuff on them, but overall they're in good shape. The pads are good, the rotors are good, so I'm gonna go to his work, use his lift, and toss them on. Gotta get those brakes nice and hot before you change them. You know, get them rotors and pads super duper hot. That way they burn your hands when you're trying to take them off. You know? We've arrived to Jake's work. Hi, Jake.
Jake the Snake.
Jake the Snake. Nick is working on the world's worst 2.5 Mark Regatta. Oh! Would you look at that?
Fuck,
I don't think any of the exhaust is connected.
It almost came with me.
Yeah.
Jesus, fuck. The shit winds are a brewing, Rand. The shit winds are a brewing. I was not prepared for that. Jake, don't. Jake.
Extinguished. Jake clearly doesn't play. They're stopping. They are. Oh, I can smell them.
Those work pretty good. Tires aren't too bad either.
Check out this sick Escalade truck. It's fucking awesome. It's badass. Here's just a final walkthrough. Rears, the rotor's cleaned off really nice. They're in good shape still. And the fronts are in great shape still too. Got them nice and hot, kind of bed them rotors in. Yeah. If you couldn't tell, I got the windows tinted over the week too. I work for a detail shop, so I had we do window tint there, so had them throw some 20% on and then 5% on the brow. But yeah, looks good.